Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Power the phone on if it's off and unlock with your PIN or pattern. If the device boots in safe mode, perform a soft restart by holding power for 10 seconds to force a reboot. Once done, press and hold volume down immediately as it restarts to attempt normal mode boot. If successful, you'll see no safe mode label. Make sure to note any recently installed apps that could trigger it and keep the device on a flat surface. You'll now dig into app-level causes. Go to Settings and uninstall the most recent third-party apps, starting with those that modify UI or permissions. Once an app is removed, reboot normally. If the safe mode label disappears, you found the culprit. If not, clear cache for system and launcher apps via Settings Storage Cache Data to remove corrupted temporary files that can force safe mode. Keep testing by rebooting. This narrows down when you're at the finish line. Back up your data and run a factory reset only if uninstalling apps and clearing cache fail. Go to Settings System, reset to erase and restore factory defaults. This removes persistent software faults causing safe mode. If you prefer a less destructive attempt, boot into recovery mode and wipe the cache partition first. That can clear errors without deleting personal files. If even a factory reset doesn't fix it, consider hardware diagnosis at a service center.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.